Alright guys, I'm just gonna mess around on this flat world a little bit. I'm really not sure what to do, so I'm just gonna look for a village and horsey! I love horsies! I like horsies. My horses adventure, I like horsies. Oh, that's reindeer. Come here! I wish it was cool. Let me ride you. Baby horse! That's reindeer. What the? Die, baby horse. No. I guess I'll just see them in the water because they died. No gas. Against these fat slimes. Not talking to you. See how long you can survive against these slimes. Oh, looks like fine. Sounds like they're fapping. Before I think I'm looking too desperately, but so far has not been fun. I should just stay home. If one thing really means one, these great and ogre spawn. This club will hopefully be closed in 3 weeks. That would be cool with me. Well, I'm still. If you guys could suggest some good mods for me, I don't really have many. I just have no creatures right now. So yeah, if you have any mods, link them on my Facebook. Level 1. Next level. Come at me, come at me, come at me. Oh, you got nothing. You got nothing. Come at me, girl. Come at me. Come at me, come at me. Come at me. Oh. Okay guys, well that's it. I'll see you later.